I just climbed aboard the Midnight Express 37-foot racing boat. Note the handholds. This boat goes really, really fast. You got to hold on to something. There aren't any seat belts, of course. There's a tuna door in case you're going to fish. And there's the mezzanine seat so you can look at your rods. But oh, 500 racing. I'm speechless. These things just look so badass. Anyway, we have a bunch of drink holders here. Some nice lighting up here. Oh, oh, here's another handhold. Yep. Let me sit in the helm. Now that I've had my picture taken, Jim will edit that out. The compass looks really, really cool. All your switches are touch. Big screen, that's probably 16-inch anyway, huh? Drink holders, gauges, joystick. We got C-deck, in-deck fish boxes. I guess this is meant to be fishing. Let's just continue walking around. You can sit up front and be very comfortable. Plenty of room to fight a fish and to stand up here to do so as well. Yep. Comfortable, huh? All right, let's see what the head looks like. All right. Oh, that's a tiny little berth down there. Sleep too. Boo. Okay. Yes, you can raise this up and get this out of the way too. I'm not going to mess with it. All right. Midnight Express. Yeah. Okay. But just look at those. My goodness. All right.